DUIs and DUIs when it doesn't involve alcohol. We get calls all the time. Hey, I'm charged with a DUI, but I didn't have anything to drink. So Zach, what do you say to these people? What's going on here?
So they hear the word intoxicated, and oftentimes they think intoxicated has to mean alcohol. But that's not the case. Indiana code actually defines intoxicated, and it means under the influence of alcohol, a controlled substance, any drug other than alcohol or a controlled substance, or any combination of alcohol, controlled substances, drugs, or even any other substance that can create an impaired condition of thought and action and the loss of normal control of an individual's faculties. So basically, what that means is just about anything out there can be an intoxicant if you take enough of it. So alcohol, yes, that's absolutely an intoxicating substance. That also includes drugs, legal ones that you're prescribed even, can be intoxicating even if taken correctly.
And it's important to remember, DUIs you don't have to be intoxicated to have a DUI. You can actually just have some of these substances in your system in itself. You can get charged with operating with a controlled substance in your blood or operating with an alcohol concentration greater than 0.08 or greater than 0.15, depending on how much alcohol is in your system. So one of the biggest things we get is, well, hey, I spent the weekend in Las Vegas a week ago. I indulged myself in a little bit of the sticky icky, a little bit of Mary Jane out in Las Vegas. Had myself a good old time. Indiana, a week later, I get to crash. I injure myself, so I get to the hospital. They draw my blood because I walk around. I'm dazed because I was in an accident. The blood comes back. It shows I had marijuana in their system. Marijuana is still illegal in Indiana, so a week later we would expect that it would be the inactive metabolite of marijuana. However, Zach, would that still get me to a DUI?
Indiana is one of the few states around where, yes, you can still be charged with operating a motor vehicle with a controlled substance or its metabolite in your system. So even inactive marijuana in your system, even if you're feeling completely fine, yes, you can be charged with an OVWI. But there are also defenses built into it. So give us a call and we can talk about it to see if your case, how your case stacks up against these laws in Indiana.
Absolutely. If you or anyone are charged with DUI, especially if it involves drugs, give us a call. 317-632-3642. Remember, always plead the fifth.